us that how did EduTap help you in your phase 1 preparation for the RBI Grade B?
It's a phase one for me. Editor was confined largely
Yes.
to the GA part,
Yes.
and in that also, so there are summarized versions which are published on Telegram channels. That
Yes.
also helped me. The PDFs of the questions of that was also very helpful trick.
Of the YouTube
And then
sessions.
of the YouTube sessions,
Yes.
definitely. Then sometimes if I miss a topic, like there's
Yes.
a topical carbon file tokenization.
Hmm.
If there's this topic and I do not have a lot of clarity, even after reading, then I would watch a video for simpler understanding, or I would do the vice versa. Like first I'll watch the video and then
Yes.
I'll read it on my own. So in both ways, it actually helped me to gain a better conceptual understanding of any of the topic. So yeah, I think for me the free sessions were YouTube sessions were actually a lot of help, and all the material that was provided on Telegram,
Hmm.
that was in, I think this free versions we started providing in this year only. Like before that, I as far as I remember, there weren't that much of free PDFs available. So
Yes.
it actually helped me this time a lot
So basically,
for the
these new
revision.
initiatives of ours has really helped you
Definitely,
in coming closer
definitely.
to your dream and also achieving that. That's really good